there's kind of a few things that we think about, as it pertains to nutrition when we think about food and, boosting our moods. So actually, there's a lot of research that shows that, highly processed foods, foods that are high in simple sugars, and anything that kind of causes this intense increase and then major decrease, right? This major fall in our blood sugar really can lead to, feeling tired and sluggish and depressed and just kind of, antsy a little bit. There's a lot of research that shows that this is really true. And our blood sugar really plays a major role in so much, right? It plays a major role in just diabetes management. It plays a major role in weight management, right? Weight loss, weight gain, weight management. And it plays a really large role in our mood as well. So, again, having things like whole grains, things that are going to slowly increase our blood sugars and won't allow such a crazy increase and then a very quick crash, that those are things that will actually kind of, keep our moods hopefully a little bit happier and a little bit lighter. So, there's obviously that, there's those foods. There are certain things that just boost our mood in general, right? So for example, when we're feeling pretty down, we're sometimes looking for something that's sweet, right? We're looking for chocolate, right? Sometimes we look for ice cream, and that's great. And every once in a while, that's okay for us to, be able to indulge. Sam and I just wanted to show you a few recipes using, pretty healthy ingredients that can make these delicious mood boosting foods